See, let me start the session actually. We will check the introduction of each and everyone at the end of the session. Okay. Meanwhile, we'll discuss the concepts. Why do we need to? What is the data science? Why this term has been evolving over the period, and what are the skills are required, and what actually data science in current job trend, right? Okay, so now we'll go with one by one. Data science. Understanding the data with more meaningful information. Right, guys, can you please go on mute? Those who joined, please go on mute. Okay, so the bookish definition is bringing the hidden inferences. That's called data. I want to explain you in more detail about data. I'll say data science is a branch of mathematics and science which brings out the more meaningful information out of given data. This is complete data science. If you have any question, type in the chat window, I'll answer you. I hope everyone is fine, right?
Yes.
Hello? Yeah. Now, see, first for 1 hour 45 minutes we will discuss the concepts and everything. Last 15 minutes I will mute one by one and I'll ask you whether you have a doubt, so that we can clarify on the same day and we can wind up the sessions. Is this fine? Okay. Now, my next question. I have a data in the universe, right? What kind of data exists in the universe? One is structured data and unstructured data. For a structured data, we do have databases like DB2, SQL, MySQL, Oracle. So we have enough processing tools exist, right? So my question is, what about unstructured data? The data is as mentioned below. Referred as unstructured. One is videos, audio files, images. These all are, and it comes into the unstructured data. Currently, the industry is experiencing the huge growth of unstructured data, right? So how do we process? How do we process the unstructured data? I'll write USD because USD stands for unstructured data, right? So there is a technology called data science. Data science is a suite of AI. I'm saying again, is data science is AI. In order to answer this question, AI is absolutely, data science is absolutely AI component, because data science, okay, we will keep a thought here. Okay, now are you able to follow till this time? If you have any doubt, please raise your hand. I'll unmute you. Guys, anybody have any doubt? Okay. Okay. We have seen data of two kinds. One is SD, one is USD. SD stands for structured data and USD stands for. Before going to this, what are the tools as exist in our current market? One is called BI tools and AI. What BI tools does and what AI tools does, that is called data science. What BI does, takes the historical data, generate the reports, and no prediction capabilities. What not there? So it handles only structured data, whereas in data science takes care of historical data when it generates the reports. It has beautiful prediction capabilities. It handles both structured and USD. So my data science is gonna help me out solving not all the problem, most of the problems. We discussed about structured data and unstructured data. Tools exist in the market is BI tools versus data science. So my question to you, you can answer this. Why there is demand in data science? You can unmute yourself and you can answer me this question before we proceed further.
Suresh, I hope for handling the BI tools, we have the already existing peoples, but for the data science, there is a sudden improvement for handling the and processing the video and this kind of information. So we don't have the enough skill set resource. So that is the reason it is being called the demand space.
Okay. Venkat, I think Venkat join now.
The focus is mainly on, so that's where the data science is coming into picture. And
Okay, let me explain you in a detailed way. Okay, see, there are two factors here, very important factors, the increase of the data science. One is businesses are data driven and improved computational power. Agree or not agree, guys? This one. See, the most of my business are taken with the unstructured data driven. I have this kind of data, let me do this way. I have it, this kind of information is provided with the customer so that I can take it forward from here. These are the business driven solution, data driven solution based on the data, based on the customer interest, based on the customer requirements. We all are considering the customer's feedbacks. So now we were moving to the customer centric rather product centric. So to understand the customer in a more better manner, we need the data. And also the data is for a longer period. It's not new thing. But we categorize data between year 2010. This is the before and after. Like we are not entitled for full-fledged full data access. After 2010, we had a great shift in usage of data and accumulating the data, right? And